What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Boo, and I'm back, and I'm back, and I'm back with another video for y'all. So I know you seen that title, and I know y'all read that thumbnail. I am going to be showing you guys how to make an end screen. I know people call it a lot of different things. I call it an end screen, but it's basically the thing that you see at the end of your YouTube video. The app that I am going to be using today is Fonto. So let's get straight into the video, y'all. So first thing first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google, type in Pinterest. And first, what you want to do is make sure that you get a background that you want to use for your end screen. Type in aesthetic backgrounds on Pinterest, and then all of these backgrounds will come up. So you can just choose whichever one that you like, whichever one you see that fits better with your personality. And then once you choose the one that you like, you just want to go ahead and hit it, long hold press on there, and make sure you save the image. I'm not going to save the image again because I do have an image already saved. So once you save that image, you can go out of Pinterest, and then what you want to do from there is go to Fonto, which is the app that I told you guys I will be using. And then you want to hit your camera button. You want to go to plain images. I'm going to hit the white one, and we're going to do a custom size to 1280 by 720. Done. And then I'm going to hit this and use. So once you are able to go ahead and get it to this point, what we're going to do now is go ahead and add that image that we just saved from Pinterest to this photo here. So I'm going to go to the 4 bars, well, 3 bars, yeah, on the left hand side, and then I'm going to hit add. And then once you got it sized up to the same exact size as that white box that we have here, and just make sure you get it as close as possible as you can. Make sure that it matches, and it do. So once we have it like this, y'all, now we can go ahead and go back to Google. And then from Google, you want to type in YouTube end screen template. So you're going to type in YouTube end screen template, and then you're going to go to images, and you could just pretty much find whichever image that you want to find here to use. We're just going to use this as like a tracer to what we do. And then, if I'm not mistaken, I already have one in. And so this is the one that I chose that I do want to use. So I'm going to go ahead, and once you get the one that you want to use from Google, after you choose the one that you want, I chose this one. You're then going to go back to Fonto, to our image here, and we're going to go to the 3 bars again. We're going to hit ahead and add that image that we downloaded here. And then what you want to do from there is size it up to where you can actually see that it's lined up with the picture that you have. And then we're going to go ahead and click on the picture and click alpha. And we're going to go ahead and bring it down just a little bit so that way we can see exactly where it's going to be. Okay, perfect, cool. So now that we have that, now we can go ahead and start making our end screen. So first thing first, we're going to go back to the 3 bars in the left hand corner, the 3 lines in the left hand corner. We're going to hit add item, and we're going to choose the square size. See, and I can still make it a little bit bigger here. And then, so yeah, you just want to play around with it, y'all, and get it to be as perfect as possible as you can to that one. And then what you're going to do from there, you're going to do the exact same thing for the other side. So we're going to hit add image. We're going to do the box again, and we're going to do the exact same thing on this side. We're going to size it up. This can be a tedious process, so just make sure you take your time and get it as good as you can here. So I do like that side. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side the same way here. So like I said, you can make it as big or small as you would like. All right, so now that we have those, we're going to go ahead and hit the three bars again on the left. We're going to hit add item, and this time we're going to go ahead and add a circle for the middle here. So I'm just going to size this down a little bit to where it's same, could almost the same size as what we have here. Then just make sure you be careful because some of the stuff will start like moving around. Okay, perfect. So now that I have that there, now we can go ahead and start to put our writing on here, you guys, the easiest part. So now I'm going to go ahead and just click the black screen here, and it's going to bring up this that says add text. I'm going to hit add text, and I'm going to just write, thank you for watching. And I'm going to put that right here. There, and I'm going to size it up. That way it's not too big here. All right, cool. And then once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and do another text here that says, thank you for watching. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the font on this one to Visuals Hollow Script. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then if you're anything like me, if you don't want to use this as your guide, you do not have to. I just figured it kind of make it easier, but I don't use it this way. I normally just make it from scratch, but I figured that this would kind of be easier just to give you a guide on, how to do it. So you can always just simply place that up here to the top, bring it down so that way you can still have your guide there, and then just size it up as neat as possible as you can here. All right, so now that I have my text here, I have that. And then what I'm going to do is size this a little bit more here. And then you can go ahead from here, you can change the style of the font. So you can go ahead and change the color on it to whatever color you want it to be. And I am just going to choose a orange color that kind of goes with my background. And then I'm going to hit style again. I'm going to stroke, and I'm just going to make the outline black here just to give it a little umph on it, child. And then once I have that, I'm going to go ahead and hit my other writing. I'm going to hit style on that one as well. I'm going to change that font to maybe black, and then I'll stroke it with the outline to orange. So give it a different look. All right, so that's that. And then once you have that, you're almost done here. So once we have that, we're just going to put a little bit more writing on here for the bottom part. And I'm just going to type add text. So I'm just going to type in like and subscribe. Or you can put like and comment, whichever works best for you. And then I'm going to make sure I size it up here to as big as I would like it. Then I'm going to put it right up under my boxes here. So I'm going to make sure everything is straight here. Then once I have that, child, I am going to just go ahead and change the style on it. I'm going to change the font first. I'm going to put it to be glittered because I do like this font. This is my favorite font, child. And then I'm going to change the style on it. And then I'm just going to change the stroke on it to orange like I did the other one there. Just to give it a little more umph to it, child. So, And after that, I'm just sizing it up, making it to how big I want it. And literally, that is it, y'all. Like, I know that was a kind of tedious process to kind of get everything straight. And then right there in the middle where this circle is, you can always put like a picture there. So you can put your picture there just to show. And then for these two boxes, you know, you put your videos or, you know, what you want your subscribers to see at the end of your videos. But yes, y'all, that is the end of today's video. And once you're done there, you just want to hit the arrow button in the right hand corner and you'll just hit save image. It'll go ahead and save to your photos and you can just simply upload it to the end of your YouTube videos. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below if it's something that you want to see from me or if it's something that you would like for me to do graphic wise. If I do know how to do it, I will bring it to the channel for y'all. But again, y'all, thank y'all for tuning into this video. Thank y'all for getting me to 300 subscribers. I love y'all so, so much. But again, y'all, I will catch y'all in my next video. Hey.